Okay, so today, my client here, she's getting knotless bohemian braids. So I want to show you guys how I prep her hair for all the parting, and it saves me so much time, okay? So you want to make sure you position your client in the way that they would just normally sit with their head straight forward. I typically start parting from ear to ear. Okay, so you kind of get that front portion of their head kind of parted out. When you're working on a full head, and you see my client here, she has a head full of beautiful hair. You kind of want to section it out so you know what you're working with, how much time you'll have left, how many braids you kind of have left. So parting out sections and sectioning off your client's hair is just so much smarter because you want to make sure you work smarter, not harder, okay? So I'm going to let you watch me. I typically go from ear to ear. I pre-part. I will add shine and jam so I can clean the part up. And then I go to the nape of the head, right at the back of the head, and I start cleaning up and sectioning out those parts that I'm going to braid. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys take a look. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Any comments, any questions, leave them below. And I'll get back to you. Just take a look.